Alright, so what we're going to do in this video is we're going to qualify the probes, and we're going to use this ceramic ball is how we qualify it. So I open up Calypso, and let me go a little closer so we can see it. Calypso without. We go in Calypso, CMM settings. Alright, stylus system. We have to get a stylus in there, and we're going to pick the 30 by 50. Gotta turn up my feed for the machine to move. So it's doing a tool change. And so once I have that, I'll close this portion. But over here, alright, I'm looking at reference sphere position. That's right here. Right here. Okay, I picked that. Master probe is not inserted. Continue. Oh, that's right. I have to use the master probe first. So continue, no. So I have to tool change to the master probe, which is the first one. Now it's going to go. Automatically tool change, get the master probe. We need to make sure it's clean. It's just sitting around. Alright, so back here, close this. Now try reference sphere position. So it wants to know what angle the reference sphere is, and we want to have 180 degrees and 0 rotation. Say OK. Then we want to use standard for our probing behavior, and we want to do 100% dynamic probing. So we'll say OK. Now it says probe in the direction of the stylus shaft. So we need to go over to the top of the reference sphere, over the center of it, and jog down until we touch. And then it will take over. Unlock my axis, turn up my feed. So it has a little sub-program that it's going to run. Try and get as close as I can to the center. Looks pretty close. Difference between the previous weight of the master probe and its weight now is greater than blah, blah. The weight will be redefined. I'm looking at this error message. So the reasons for this may be you're using a different master probe. Stylus is being used for another master probe. You have added a side stylus. None of these reasons, we recommend to requalify the styli. So for the purpose of this video and the process, I'm going to continue. So what it does is it moves. And it's going to go around and check a lot of different points all over the place. Now it's doing a circle. It knows how big the sphere is. That's why we're qualifying the... So this is the master probe. So we do this, and then we change to the tool that we want to work. So like we want to qualify this one, the 30 by 50. So this takes a little bit of time. Points around the outside, and it's done. So I really want this other one done, so next steps would be make a tool change. So come over here, pick the A for automatic. I want the 30 by 50. Off it goes. Make a tool change. Back to here. Get rid of this. And so now I'm going to go to the last button on the right. Looks like a dial caliper and a probe. And it says probing system qualification, requalification. Qualification. Requalify. So I picked this, and this thing should go right over because it knows where that reference sphere is now exactly, and it should start requalifying this particular probe. So here we go. I got the feed dialed down so I can turn the video around. So here we go. Let's turn this around so you can see. And I'll dial up my feed. It's going to go right over. And now it's going to qualify my probe. According to Zeiss, I should probably requalify this every couple of weeks, just to make sure everything's in order. Still collecting data. Done. So what it does is it prints out a well, it doesn't print it out. It generates a report, and in this report, what I'm really looking for is the deviation 0.12345 zeros and a 4. I want it to be no more than 0.0000 fifth place of 4. So we're well within tolerance. So yes, we qualified. So we can close this, and so this probe is qualified. Now my reference sphere choice, I can leave it up if I'm going to be using this a lot and I want to requalify every so often. That way it remembers where it is, as long as I don't loosen it up and move it. If I take this off and move it, every time I'm going to have to start at the beginning like I did in this video, and we have to locate the reference sphere, set up the reference sphere's position. But that's it. That's how to qualify the probes. We're done. Thanks.